How to increase max volume on iPhone? Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. I'm Lisa from Create Login and Delete. Now let's jump straight into the process. By clicking on the volume up button given at the left corner, you can increase the volume of your iPhone. But sometimes this isn't enough. So what you can do is you can head towards this option of settings, open it, scroll down, find the option of music, open the option of music. Over here you will find different options. If you are using iOS version less than iOS 16, then you will be able to see the option of volume limit. You have to increase that option, but as I have already updated my iPhone, it is not showing over here. Then now the second thing you have to do is head towards this option of EQ, open it. Now from here you have to select this option of late night. And after you do that, now you can just check it out. Automatically the volume in your iPhone will be louder. Also you can try other options given over here such as rock, pop, piano. This might also increase the volume in your iPhone. This is how you can increase max volume on your iPhone. If you find this video helpful, at the end make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.